Hello friends, Ben H. Nakatani Jr. here, founder and operating manager of the Nakatani Law Group. And today we're going to have a general discussion about how cases settle in a workers' compensation setting. And we're going to have a general conversation about basic concepts. I'm going to touch a little bit about what happens when a case can't voluntarily be resolved and it has to be decided by a judge. So let's talk about the two types of workers' compensation settlements. The first one we're going to talk about is what's called a stipulation with request for award. That is a settlement where an agreement is made as to your level of impairment or disability in a percentage form, which is paid in small payments over time. Now, these payments are statutorily made and they're designed to be paid in small rates in consideration of you returning back to your job, earning wages, and these payments supplementing that income. In addition to the payments, you get lifetime medical care. And a caveat about lifetime medical care is that it's lifetime in name only. Even though theoretically your medical can be left open for your entire lifetime, it's still limited to caps on certain types of physical therapies and treatments, and reviews through an internal review process through the insurance company and an appeals process through the state. So basically with the medical, if through the review process it gets approved, you get it. If not, it gets appealed. And if the appeal is upheld on the denial part of it, then you just simply don't get it in the case. The second type of a workers' compensation settlement is called a compromise and release. And what this is a lump sum cash payment and buyout of your case where you have no future medical rights, you actually have no future rights whatsoever. It's a lump sum payment in consideration of full closure by the insurance company. So in addition to be compensated for your levels of impairment and disability, there's also additional value there to buy out the medical. So that's negotiated between the parties, and only if the parties can agree can such an agreement be made and a settlement reached. Now, if the parties cannot reach an agreement for whatever reason, and we have to go through a litigation process through the Workers' Compensation Appeals Board or the Workers' Compensation Court, the case will be decided by a judge, and the judge will determine your level of impairment or disability based upon the medical evidence presented. Now, when a judge makes his or her decision, you automatically get the resolution of your case in payments, just like a stipulation would be, with the small statutory payments with the lifetime medical care as I discussed previously. So I hope this information was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on our next video review. Thank you.